Hello friends! In today's video, we are going to discuss how to make money with Tron TRX. Tron is a blockchain-based platform that aims to decentralize the internet and revolutionize the way we consume and distribute digital content. But beyond its ambitious goals, Tron also offers a great opportunity for investors and traders to profit from its cryptocurrency, TRX. Tron TRX is the native cryptocurrency of the Tron blockchain. It's a cryptocurrency that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, and many people are starting to realize the potential it holds. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing some strategies that you can use to make money with Tron TRX. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of Tron and its cryptocurrency, explain why TRX has the potential for growth, and show you some strategies to make money with it. So, let's get started. Investing in Tron TRX. The first and most common way to make money with Tron is by investing in it. You can buy Tron TRX from any cryptocurrency exchange that supports it. Once you've purchased TRX, you can hold on to it and wait for its value to increase. However, investing in Tron is not risk-free, and its price can fluctuate rapidly. To minimize the risk, you should do thorough research on Tron and the cryptocurrency market before investing. Look at the Tron price charts and the project's roadmap to get a better idea of its potential. You should also keep an eye on the news and updates regarding Tron to make informed investment decisions. Invest in Tron-based projects. Tron has a thriving ecosystem of decentralized applications, DApps, and projects that are built on its blockchain. By investing in these projects, you can potentially earn a return on your investment in TRX. Some popular Tron-based projects that you can invest in include JustSwap, a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade TRX and other cryptocurrencies. Sun, a decentralized finance, DeFi, platform that allows users to earn interest on their TRX holdings. Wink, a gaming platform that allows users to earn TRX by playing games. Before investing in any Tron-based project, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Staking Tron TRX. Staking is another way to earn money with Tron TRX. When you stake your TRX, you're essentially locking it up in a smart contract to support the Tron network. In return, you earn TRX rewards for the staking period. The amount of rewards you earn depends on the amount of TRX you stake and the duration of the staking period. The longer you stake your TRX, the higher the rewards you receive. Staking also helps to secure the Tron network and maintain its decentralization. To stake your TRX, you need to download and install a Tron wallet that supports staking. There are many wallets available, such as TronLink, Clever, and Trust Wallet. Once you've set up your wallet, you can stake your TRX and start earning rewards. Running a Tron node. If you have technical knowledge, you can earn money by running a Tron node. A node is a computer that helps to maintain the Tron network by validating transactions and creating new blocks. By running a node, you can earn TRX rewards for your contribution to the network. Running a Tron node requires a dedicated server, technical knowledge, and a good internet connection. You also need to download and install the Tron node software and keep it updated. However, the rewards for running a Tron node can be significant, especially if you have a high-performance server. Participating in Tron DApps. Tron has a vibrant ecosystem of decentralized applications, DApps, that run on its blockchain. You can earn money by participating in these DApps and completing tasks or playing games. Some DApps also offer rewards for staking or holding TRX. To participate in Tron DApps, you need to have a Tron wallet that supports DApps. You can find a list of Tron D-apps on the TronScan website or the TronLink wallet. Once you've found a D-app that interests you, you can start earning rewards by completing the tasks or playing games. Mining Tron TRX. One of the ways to make money with Tron is through mining. Mining is the process of verifying transactions on the blockchain, and in return, you get rewarded with Tron TRX. Mining Tron is a great way to make money because it requires very little effort on your part. All you need to do is set up your mining rig and let it run. However, mining Tron is not as profitable as it used to be because of the increasing competition in the market. Mining requires a significant amount of computational power, electricity, and hardware, which can be quite expensive. So, if you're planning to mine Tron, make sure you factor in the costs before you start. Creating and developing Tron D-apps. If you're a developer, you can make money with Tron TRX by creating and developing D-apps on the Tron platform. Tron offers a developer-friendly environment and tools that make it easy to build and deploy D-apps. Once you've built a successful D-app, you can earn TRX tokens from the transactions that take place on your D-app. To get started with D-app development on Tron, you can visit the Tron developer portal and explore the various resources available. And that's it for today's video on how to make money with Tron TRX. Remember, while investing in cryptocurrency can be lucrative, it's also important to do your research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. With that being said, Tron TRX is a promising cryptocurrency with a strong community and innovative technology. Whether you decide to invest or not, we hope this video has provided valuable insights into the world of Tron TRX and cryptocurrency investing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this.